What is up, y'all? Welcome back out to the bench in the backyard. My name is Jordan, and this is Christmas. Merry Christmas, y'all. This is my Dwarf Alberta Spruce that I did for last Christmas, so I figured, hey, why not just make it a tradition, and we will see what we can do. All right. So, in the last year, I took some of the wire off of some of these smaller pieces that was biting in probably in August or so. And I just finished unwiring it today. Most of the raffia just came off with the wire. Cut some of it off. The rest of it will fall off over the next year or so. We shall see. Some of it may hold on a little bit because I may wire the trunk again, see if I can't get a little bit better movement out of it, especially from here to here. I know I'm going to wire this. I'm going to bring it back forward. Oh, and I think that's also going to be the planing angle. The way I styled it last year was about like that. But some of these have lifted up a little bit. So I'm thinking if we go like that, we can actually bring this out more to the side as kind of our balance branch and bring this around like that. Cut off some of this back stuff. We'll still have our depth branches back here. Yeah. So bring this to the front. We'll have to bring these down, obviously. But as you can see, we had a lot of growth on it this year. So we're going to come in, do a little bit of pruning up here. Get kind of our final... Or we could drop it down again and continue the cascade. Just do some branch selection right in here. The rest of it should be wiring. There's some growth down low that we need to get rid of. But other than that, yeah, I think this is where we're going to go. We'll bring this down and in like this. Bring it forward. And I may go ahead and repot. It is December 22nd, so today. So this will be going up. This video will be going up today. So this is today. Yeah. So let's go ahead and tuck into this. All right, starting up here. I know I'm not going to use any of this that's on the inside of this bend. Okay, so we're all watered in, planted up. Um, really, really cool little tree. Should be pretty healthy. I'm going to keep this upstairs in my heated greenhouse since I did repot. A little bit out of season, but I really wanted to see this thing finished. I really like this tree. Really good movement here in this Cascade branch. I just really like this tree. So, yeah. Merry Christmas, y'all. If you liked what you saw today, just go ahead, subscribe, throw me a like down below. If you did not like what you saw, or want to tell me how I shouldn't have repotted it, I know. Leave a comment down below. I can't make my trees better if y'all don't tell me what I'm doing wrong. But yeah, I just fun little. This is year 2 on this. If it makes it through the winter, we'll see what year 3 brings us next year. Yeah. Until the next time I see y'all out at the bench in the backyard, just remember to grow them big, but keep them small.